Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another iPhone to Find My iPhone on your phone. So let's get started. I'm going to show you two different ways you can do it. One for if you have another iPhone, or if you want to add someone else's iPhone, you can also do this step. So let's get started. So if they're your account, really simple, the easy ways to do is making sure that you're signed into the same Apple account on both devices. So the device that you want to add, let's say I want to add this iPhone to over here's iPhone. As you can see here, I'm using the same Apple ID account. And I'm going to go into this Apple ID account here and then go to Find My and ensure Find My iPhone right here is turned on. And then the same thing on this phone as well. You're going to go ahead and make sure here in the Apple account, Find My, and then Find My iPhone, make sure both of them are on. And with both of them on, you can now find this iPhone also on Find My iPhone. Same thing with this one. This phone will also show up on this Find My as well because they're using the same Apple ID account. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and add maybe a friend or family member to the Find My. In that case, you might not be using the same Apple ID account as you are in the first scenario. In that case, what you need to do is have them share their location with you. So you'll see here a plus icon right here under the people section of Find My. You click on the plus icon and then you can go ahead and have them share my location. So when they do that, and you can also share your location, they can share the location with you, and then you'll get a request basically to share, and then you'll accept that request. And after you do that, they're going to basically show up on here, Find My as well, which will track their iPhone wherever they go as well, just like you would be tracking your devices. So let's say you can add another iPhone to Find My iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.